Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his Automation channel. Today we are going to start a new series on the Playwright framework using a Python coding language. And as part of this series, we will use a PyCharm as an IDE. And in this series, you will find sessions related to a basic level coding till the advanced level in the Playwright using a Python. So do stay tuned for all the updates and let's get started. And for the documentation related, I will give you the link of this website where you can refer to all the features and in detail information about the features. So I will go to this documentation, and the reason why I'm skipping the intro part, because intro part you will find very boring, but if anyone is interested, I will share this link and you can refer to those information. And the first and foremost thing is we need the PyCharm tool. So I already have the PyCharm tool, and you need to create one folder in your local repository, and you need to open that repository. And I'm opening that, and as soon as you open you will get this main.py. So you can keep it or you can delete it, that's up to you, but I'm keeping it for now. And this project X has nothing here. And now the next thing is you go back to the documentation, where you will see installing Playwright PyTest, and you will see this command. I will simply copy this command, which is pip install PyTest Playwright. Go back to the PyCharm, open terminal, and you can simply hit or paste it there and hit enter. And I already installed this package, that is the reason it is saying already satisfied, but in your case it will show you the logs and it will install. And next thing is you have to install Playwright install, so this will install all the browsers or required browsers for your execution. Okay, it is also installed, because that is the reason you're not seeing the logs. And go back to the documentation, and this is the test, simple test, so I'm copying it and go back to PyCharm, right click, new, and go to the Python file. And this should be prefixed with test demo.py. So this is the file name, and paste the code here and quickly save it. And in the terminal, you just need to type pytest. Hit enter. It should collect two tests, because it is this test underscore demo.py has a two tests inside it. So whatever method started with test, it is treated as a test scenario or test case. So this is a feature of our PyTest. So PyTest generally treat any file which is starting with or ending with test underscore. So the file name is naming as test underscore demo.py. So automatically this will pick that test, and whatever method which start with test underscore, it will treat that as test case. So our configuration part is successfully done, and you can go back to the documentation. And there is one more thing that you need to do is, if you want it to be run on the latest version, you can simply copy that and go back to terminal and paste it. So this will install the latest version, because sometimes what happen, you are not on the latest version, you may be on the older version, you might miss some features. So I will click enter, and it is on the latest version, so no need to worry. So the installation part is done for the Playwright. And in case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section, I'll help you out. And thank you for watching.